What is up, darlings, and welcome back to Kirsties'Karz. It is another beautiful day here in Colorado. It has been cold and not beautiful, so I am very grateful for the day. I have been so just sick since Christmas, pretty much. All of my kids took a round of getting sick, and I was like the last one hanging, but it caught up to me, and I have just been feeling super down and just can't get out of bed, really. So I am going to take full advantage of this beautiful Saturday and get my butt out here. As you can see, I packed away the Christmas village. Packed away. Now I gotta find room to put it up on my my little shelving system somewhere. Ooh. But so I got a big mess to clean up there. I'm also going to head over to this pile over here, which is all of my interior body panels. I'm going to pick through these and clean them up and paint them and see what all I can reuse on this bad boy. I'm hoping everything, it was all in really good condition when I took it out, just super dirty. So I'm going to tackle that corner today. I mean, there's tons of other things I could be doing, but I kind of just want to delve into something different today, so that's where I'm heading, to that corner, because I never touch that corner. It just stays over there. Thank you guys for joining me. Really can't thank you enough every single time. You guys rock. Let's go. I can't just show you guys my shop life, I gotta show you my full life. So, been working on the Nova, taking a break, gonna bust out some fried chicken for the kids, call it a day. Just kidding, gonna get back out there and paint. Alright, so I collected all my interior panels and I washed them down, and now I'm pretty much just throwing on some paint. I'm gonna hit the inside of the Nova and pretty much just give it like a good rust barrier protectant coat before I start laying down kill mat and stuff, and put in the panels, obviously. So trying to like do this in the correct order, but don't really know the correct order, so just wing it. Alright, it's freezing out here now. I have my little space heaters going, but it isn't quite keeping up with the size of this shop. So I'm gonna call it a night. I feel like I got tons done, so that's a positive. For the first time, like ever, the Nova is all the same shade of primer. It looks absolutely stunning. I am pretty much all wrapped up. I need to let this cure overnight anyway, so hopped inside and did some like rust barrier black, just to like keep the rust at bay and keep it away. I do not want to deal with that later down in the road, so might as well do it now. So went ahead and did that, got it looking decent. I mean, not too shabby. Guess you can't really see in here too well, but did some of the interior as well. Got it nice and covered in black. I just like black. It's gonna go well, and then I'll throw some kill mat over that, you know. But look at it, man. She's looking fine. She's looking all the same color, looking so smooth. I mean, compared to what she was, I am just, I'm thoroughly impressed and happy. Also started painting some of my panels, went through the pile, cleaned them up, and I'm just reusing what I have pretty much, and so that was cool. Last time I did something like this, it was with my dad, so it's always fun to do that. Super grateful for Danny. He came in and helped today. Danny's a real good friend of mine, great friend of mine, always been in my life, and just a rad person. So I decided that this year is going to be my year for accepting help. I'm always saying, no, I got it, you know, but I'm starting to realize how hard it is to tackle all of this by yourself. Even just like having somebody to talk to out here it makes for a lot better time than just sitting out here by yourself all the time. You know, you get in your head too much. So it's nice to have another opinion and, you know, somebody to just help out with all the little things. So thank you, Danny, for your help. I appreciate you, man. And I look forward to, you know, just rocking this out. Like, oh, I feel so accomplished right now. Like, it's just step by step, day by day, one foot in front of another. Just keep on moving, keep on pushing. You'll get there. She just looks so good. Man, I could not be any more excited, because here soon we're gonna get started on the motor. Just truly can't thank you guys enough for all your support. I'll be back out here tomorrow getting the rest of this done. Hopefully you guys will be watching this video while I'm out in the shop working on it tomorrow, as long as I can get it edited tonight. Time crunch, people. You guys rock though. Can't thank you enough.